Welcome back to Challenge Friday, guys. So this week's challenge, we are gonna do the burping challenge. So we got our Coca-Cola, and basically you're supposed to drink until like who makes the biggest burp and stuff like that. So let's get started. Okay, now we're gonna do the burp challenge, but to see who goes first, we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You ready? And then loser goes first, okay?
Duh.
Best two out of three.
Okay.
Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, I'll go. Here we go.
Ow.
Should it be like a certain limit, like 2 drinks, or just like one big drink?
Just drink it. Feel burp coming.
I'll take a little more. Feel it coming. It takes you a really long time to burp this.
My turn.
How can you burp so fast? Okay, I'm gonna try again.
It isn't hard to drink it all down.
Burns your throat. It's gonna take a while, guys.
My turn.
Like a boss. It came out the other end. So coming, guys. I'm gonna have like diabetes from this.
One more time and I'm done.
Okay, no more. Oh. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Inbox us for any requests like tags and hauls and challenges. And don't forget that we'll only do the highly recommended challenges. And the sister tag will be coming up soon. So don't worry, guys. It's coming. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye! So